When you give an estimate on the recommended work, be dialed in, be smarter than the average bear. What I mean by that is have the various estimates prepared. And how much is it to do customer concerns, safety, preventive, recommended maintenances and services? Have those three figures ready. And I can't emphasize how important it is to have the total dollar for the customer. Don't tell them it's going to be, it's $400 in labor, $300 in parts, $700, plus tax and shop supplies and whatever else we can throw in there. The customer comes in there, what does he remember? $700. He told me $700, and now I'm paying $783. What's this all about? Then that's a reason to complain, go to the service manager, go to the service director, as opposed to doing it correctly the first time. To do your brakes, the front and back, we are going to charge $783. The fronts are $433, the rear are the balance of that. That is it. That total, $783, would be the total. So if they came in to write the check, it'd be $783. Now, the only reason to veer from that a bit would be if you estimate a little high and you come in lower. 783 is your estimate, you come in and the actual bill is 767. It's even a little less than they said. That's a good feeling. It is not a good feeling to be told that it's $700 and it's $783 or $767 as you walk out the door. Is it good to be over a little bit or be right on the button? And the answer is yes, versus being under or not on the button. So, when I was first in this industry, I had this great idea that I was going to overestimate everything by $30, $40. And it worked good for a couple customers, but then it also inspired a couple of my customers to call the service manager and say, why is he charging me so much more when I didn't have this charge that much the last time? So you gotta be careful, even though you do have the client's best interest, that you're not over your estimate too much. So then it seems like perhaps it's a little bit of gaff going on. So professional would be within the range, always a little higher, not lower, in the best case scenario.